Hey there, welcome to today's video, a video which I am extremely excited to be bringing to you. A couple of days ago, I managed to get a hold of a couple of classic gaming consoles. So I'm going to show them to you, and then we're going to unbox them. Here's the first one. An original Atari 2600 4-switch edition. But that's not the exciting one. That one's great. But this one, an Atari XE video game system deluxe edition. And the thing about this one is that apparently it's never been used. So we're going to open these up, take a look at them, make sure they're good to go, and then fire them up. Let's get started. Okay, here we go. We're going to look at exactly what is inside this Atari box. And the first thing is the Atari XE light gun. Interesting. These are actually compatible with the Atari 2600, but as both these systems came from the same place, I'm wondering if this might belong to the computer system. But we'll set that one to the side. And next, we have joystick. Sounds good. No rattles. Then another joystick. Oh, and there's the other joystick. Seems okay. The paddles. And here is the console. Looks like it could use a little cleaning up, so I would say this one has been used, definitely. There's the VHF connector. Oh, what do we have in here? The power plug. So I'm going to test that to make sure that it's outputting the right voltage so it doesn't damage the system. And what else? Oh! Haha! Looks like we have the owner's manual. And another owner's manual. Oh, and the combat. These, there is a pack-in game of combat with these. So, what do we have here? So, it's the installation manual. Although it's in French. And service centers. The warranty card. The 90-day guarantee. I wonder if that's still good. Here we have looks like this is also in French. And here's the owner's manual. Oh, and here's another one of combat in English. So there's the combat instruction book, which means combat must be in there. And the English instructions. All right, let's see. Oh, yep. Wow, I've got a couple of copies of this, and I have to say this one is actually probably in the best shape of any of them. There we go. Combat. All right. So this is what's in the Atari 2600 box. I'll set this aside, then we can open the other box, the Atari XE box. Here is the Atari XE. Let's open this up and look at what's inside. I have not been this excited about opening up a computer since I was a kid. Since this very computer would have been brand new. All right, let's do it. Oh, and I see it is in styrofoam, which is a very good sign. Oh, and it's got the manuals with it. And obviously it looks like this box has been opened, but they said the machine was never used. So let's take a look at what we have for the manuals. We've got the warranty card. And we've got the keyboard owner's manual. I'm going to have some fun reading this. Oh, and it looks like it's got some BASIC in there. So I will re-familiarize myself with that. I've never used an Atari before, but I've used many BASIC computers. Okay. And here, oh, we've got, looks like an advertisement for software and peripherals. And this looks like, ooh, a nice big, thick Flight Simulator 2 operating handbook. And Bug Hunt game manual. So these must be the packed in games. And here we have Flight Simulator 2 reference chart. Not to be used for real-world aerial navigation. All right then. If I'm ever flying a plane, I will not use this. Oh, and here's, we've got the main owner's manual. This is the English version of how to hook everything up. All right, and lastly, we have game system information sheet. So a list of everything that should be packed in here. All right, let's open this. Everything is in plastic bags, which is awesome. And check this out, there's another light gun in here. So that first light gun actually belonged with that Atari 2600. All right, so we've got a gray joystick that looks like it kind of stuck to the styrofoam a bit. And here we have Flight Simulator 2 cartridge and Bug Hunt cartridge. And here we have the big old power brick, which is known for failing, so we're definitely going to test that this isn't giving out over voltage to fry the system before we plug it in. And we've got a cable and the adapter, and of course another light gun. And here we have the main unit and the keyboard. Ooh, the keyboard looks like it's still sealed in the plastic. This one looks like it has been opened from the plastic. Let's take a look at it. Oh, look at that. That is in pristine condition. There are no marks, no nicks. I do believe that this was probably never used. Oh, I can't wait to test everything out to see if I can plug this in. All right. I'm just at a loss for words right now. This is so awesome. All right, so now that we've opened up the boxes, had a look at what's inside of them, I'm going to stop the video here so that I can get everything ready to throw them up on my work table behind me and take them apart. I'm going to look and see if there's any visible leaking capacitors or any other loose wires, problems, anything like that I can see. If not, I'm going to test the power supplies, then plug them into a TV and have some fun. All right. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can give me a like, maybe subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. If you didn't enjoy the video, thumbs down is right down there. So I'll see you next time.